Solar is growing. It's a growing industry. It's another thing that drew me to Sunrun, is that I want to, have a career in an area that's never going to go away, and solar's not going to go away. My name is Brittney Irwin. I'm a field solar consultant for Sunrun. Whether I'm running 1 appointment or 3 appointments, I'm the person that goes above and beyond for my customers to get their jobs built. When I first applied for this job, I didn't have any solar sales experience, and so I was a little bit nervous, but my teammates were like friends. I feel like what separates Sunrun from other solar companies is that we have integrity, we really care about people. I really do enjoy going in the house and helping families and being there throughout the whole process by going solar. Savings is a great aspect, to go solar. Saving money, everyone wants to save money, but what really matters is that you're taking control and predictability over your electricity. Whatever you need, we're there. That's why I get out of bed every day, is to put solar on someone's roof.